All right. So this is just a quick overview of this Husky Tech bag you could get at Home Depot. I thought it would be replacing my electrician tool bag. However, as beautiful as this bag is, it just gets too heavy. But this thing is a beauty in terms of thought outness. So it's super well thought out. Has so much space and storage. I have never seen this much storage on such a compact bag. So just a quick rundown. You have, this is, I would assume, well, it's, I guess, ambidextrous. There is no front side. So this is just one of the front sides. You have 4 pockets. So in here, you could put sockets, socket rails. These are Milwaukee 12-inch water pump pliers. I'm pretty sure you could fit 2 of them. No problem. You could fit a multimeter. This is just a Klein version of a T5, a Fluke T5, so fits perfect. All right, let's see, some zip ties. No problem. So it's just good bags here, 4 of them. So if you open the front bag, you'll see you have room here. You have a pocket here, and then there, I'm sure you can fit. This is a large one, not a medium, not a small one. You can fit these organizers in here, no problem. You have room here. I put the large Nipex crescent wrench pliers, pliers wrench. Got room for folding jab saw, mini bolt cutters, that super long dikes, and much more. And it still looks good. In the middle, you have all this room. So you have a screwdriver wall. You have a tape loop lanyard that you could just pull to the side while you have it open, and then store it when you're going to close it. You have one of these heavy duty zipper pouches, and this one's sewn into the inside. Then you have this room here where you could put a drill, charger, a battery, a couple batteries. I have here on this side, it has three slots here. Have a circuit finder, have a drill handle, some bits, some drill bits, what else, M12 battery. So you have these here, they're stepped, so you could put that many screwdrivers and that many smaller screwdrivers. Got a ratchet, got a ratcheting screwdriver, a tapping screwdriver, a conduit reamer, different sizes, a beater, file. It's just so much room in here. And then if that wasn't enough, on the other side, which have my M12 impact, have some hex keys, some extra bits. And that's just for your reference, people who are interested. This isn't a cheap bag at all. This is not going to be your $30 tool bag. This is actually quite expensive. It's about 70. I think it's like 70 or 80. Can't be 80. 70. You have more room for your pliers. You can double them up if you really wanted to, but it's just so heavy as it is and so much room as it is, you don't need to double up anything unless you got a ton more things. But I can't think of anything because I still carry a, one of those tool pouches, so carry tools there, so you don't need that much. But I mean, it's just so sick. The only problem is that when it's fully loaded like this, and this isn't even fully packed to the brim, this is, decently packed like this, it weighs a ton. And if you're going on a job site, you're going upstairs, downstairs, up a ladder, down a ladder, you need wheels for something like this. So for the time being, it's unfortunate I can't keep it. So I'm just gonna have to do a return to Roo and keep my electrician's tool bag, because this one is more compact, it's less bulky, and it won't carry all this stuff like the drill, the charger, the bits it will carry, but that'll save some weight there. So yeah, if you found this helpful, just give a thumbs up and hope you enjoyed.